Shit, that's scary. It says, do you have snore?
No juice.
Yeah. Anyway, where at? Where Rebel?
Okay, here. Okay, stop it now.
Oh crap, there's a guy chasing us. I'm joking. I'm
You're
so
funny.
good at it. Oh, it's right here. We found the guys. Come.
Thank you guys for helping us. We really appreciate
We appreciate it
these guys. Yeezy.
on this channel. And we'll be back to you shortly when we get into